Welcome to Next Gen Real Estate. My name is Janet Loper here with Landon Loper, and we are located on the most beautiful Lake Murray, South Carolina.
That's right here to my left. This is going to be Highway 378 here in Lexington. Come across Lake Murray. That's the Jake Knox Bridge to kind of give you an idea of where we're at. But where we're heading right now, as you can see off in the distance here, all these beautiful colored homes. Woo! That is the neighborhood Sunset Bay here on Lake Murray.
And it features so many just palm trees everywhere. You feel like you got teleported to the beach, but you're actually on the beautiful lake. We've got a great home that's featured here, but check out the amazing amenities that we offer. It's got a cabana, it's got 2 boat docks, it has a boat ramp, but what most people love is the beautiful sandy beach, just the layout along the waterway.
That's right, and let's not forget this neighborhood also has its own boat storage as well.
Exactly.
So right here, we're gonna finish heading right here to Sunset Bay. Like you said, you can see both that beach area, the 2 beautiful docks, plus the boat ramp. It's just a quick walk. Really about a minute walk to get to this house. So why don't you head on and walk up there and see this beautiful home, and we'll catch you in a bit.
Well, I say that's a wrap, but I'm gonna say one of my favorite things is this house. I love the coastal feel because it really just fits in with the vibe of the community with all the beautiful palm trees.
That's right. At Sunset Bay, it's a super nice neighborhood. Like we said, super accessible. Be able to get out here and affordable. Get out on Lake Murray.
This
and
is
enjoy
amazing.
Lake Murray. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you.
Thank you.